What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how I made $10,000 from one TikTok video. And I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to show you the entire process here, so be sure to like the video, comment if you like videos like this or whatnot, and be sure to check out the free training below because it has a lot of videos that are just like this. All right, so let's jump right into it here. So what are a lot of people are looking for work from home jobs right now, right? So if you come over here and you look and you type in uh, work from home, right? And let's just say, for example, we take this video here and let's say she's talking about Capital One or whatever. So you basically just want to find a new trending job that's working and you want to create a job listing for it. Now, this is where everything comes into play. So let me go back to my profile here. So this is one of my test accounts here. And as you can see, this video here, I'm showing the TipBird listing and stuff like that. And basically, I'm having people go to that website, and that's how they apply for the job. All right. So let's say Capital One was like booming right now. It's not anymore, but let's say it was. And I come over here and I was like, okay, this is a remote senior job. I would copy and paste all this information here and I would go and set up a job listing over here on TempBird, right? So now I would go to jobs and then I would go to create and I would literally just start filling out all this information here. There's that. All right, so now I would just copy and paste all this here. Into the job listing, make it look all nice and pretty, upload a logo, a cover image, etc. And then as you guys already saw, this is what your end result is, right? And then how I would make money, as you can see, we got a Survey Junkie right here, or you can put a link to whatever it is that you want. As you can see, this page got 15,000 page views, right? And then this is the traffic in general to this website gets 98% United States traffic, gets thousands of views every single month. So people are coming to this website, to find jobs. And what I recommend that you do as well is you link it directly to the Capital One. So like I wouldn't link it here. This was just like for demonstration purposes. But what you would do is you would link it directly to the job listing itself on Capital One. So it might be careers.capitalone.com/whatever. That's the URL you would put in for your TempBird listing here. All right, so whatever your wherever the listing part is. Oh, I'm actually on the company one, not the job listing. But you guys get the point. But you would basically fill that out, and then you would make your YouTube video. I mean your TikTok video, and then you would tell people to go to the page here. So as you can see, this is literally exactly what I did. And then a couple of the videos ended up blowing up. So you see, say, hey, go to tempbird.com. Then you go and tell them to, hey, like type in Capital One, and then they'll see your job listing here, and then boom, you'll make money every single time someone clicks this here, which will be a lot of people. And on top of that, you get to build up your email list because you'll get all of the resumes. And on top of that, they get sent to a real job offer and they just fill out the form. So it's a win-win for everybody. You get paid when they sign up to whatever offer you're promoting. Then on top of that, you're building your email list, and then on top of that, they're getting a real job. So it's not like you're trying to scam them or waste their time or anything along those lines because all the jobs are real. Boom. Like it is win-win-win all around. So I recommend doing this. You would go, like I said, again, go up here, type in hashtag work for home or anything along those lines. And then you're going to just, go through and see what's starting to trend. And then they go like, hey, go to, like Disney is one right now that I just did. Like they're like, oh, go to Disney or whatever. And then you link them directly to the official Disney website. So it's like they can't report your video because it's not a scam, and it's like if someone does say, oh, that's a scammer, or something like that. It's like, okay, well, how? And they will never, because you don't pay any, like the person who's signing up, they're not paying for money for a list. They're not paying any money out of pocket, nothing. So Yeah, this is one of the easiest ways you can make a crap ton of money with CPA marketing and TikTok. This is actually one of the done for you campaigns that I had in the course or whatnot, and I figured I would let some of you guys get a little access to it for the low price of free, because like I said, this is like a banger of a video, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And then if you want to take it a step further, you can take the videos that the people, like say there was someone talking about a Capital One, when all I would literally have to do is just rip the audio from the video and then upload my video with their audio, and it's a whole different video now. So like, yeah, this like, there are so many ways that you can make money with this particular method, but yeah, you're pretty much golden. Yeah, and this works with any of the job listing platforms. Now this is the cheapest one, but like if you go on a Monster, you're paying like I think it's $249 per listing. If you go to Zip, it's something crazy. I think it was like $15,000 a month to get on Zip. And then LinkedIn is like $5 on average per click. So yeah, this is by far like the cheapest one that you can do. But that is pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell.